1 hour later.
And here, guys, it's our barbecue, our Pinoy street foods. We start with chicken heads, baticolon, chicken feet, chicken intestines, and here we have chicken wings, chicken pa, and this one is chicken necks. Here it's chorizo, fats, pork fats, and of course pork. This is our balut, our spicy vinegar, and of course chicharron. Let's try it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Blags TV. This is my first video, and today we're going to try some Filipino street food. As you see earlier, this is our barbecue, and let's start with the pork. We're going to try this as a pork chorizo. I'm going to try how it is.
Apa guys?
I like the taste. It's pretty good. Tastes a little bit sweet.
Masuka. Suka. Kaya ano na namin sa yung sauce ba?
Yeah, it's quite good. I'm going to try it spicy.
Sarap.
It's really good. I'm going to add more vinegar. Wow, believe me, it's really good. One of my favorite Filipino style barbecue. Wow.
Sarap guys. Sarap.
Okay. Next, we have pork fats. I'm going to try it also. I'm going to make it spicy.
Kita nyo ito sa street food at sa din? Sa Pantalan? Kaya na Pantalan? Right?
Yeah.
Makikita nyo ito. Tama ito eh. Sarap. Try natin.
Wow. Actually, all the Filipino barbecue tastes good. It's really good.
Sarap.
One of the best barbecue that they ever taste, that was the Pinoy style. This is my favorite. It's good.
Hindi
It's
na
cooked
nakasawa.
properly.
Sarap.
Very good.
Kahit mataba siya guys, sarap. Yeah. Ayaw mo na tayo na rin ito bro. Sarap talaga.
Wow.
Sarap ng kanin. Sarap.
I think my rice will not be enough.
Tastes good. Sarap no?
Yeah. Next thing, it's pork barbecue. That's pork meat. I'm sure it also tastes good, more than good.
Right?
Yeah.
No? Yun natin lang. Kuya.
It's really soft. They cook it in really good way.
Pero guys, diyan sa camera ang gano'ng kasarap. Ha? Sarap.
I love it.
So much. Dito ang alaman nyo guys. Sarap. Sarap.
Yeah. It's really sarap. We're done with the pork, and next we're going to try it's the chicken. Which one should we start first? Intestines, head, body colon, or feet? How do you think?
Come on guys. Maganda yung ano? Ito?
Let's try with the feet. Okay, this is the chicken feet. Let's try it with guys. How is the taste of this one? It's a little bit jelly. The skin. It tastes good, but it's more better if it's spicy. Wow, I love it. I really love it. Everything that is Pinoy barbecue, it's really tastes good guys. It's really masarap.
Hapon guys.
Masarap yun.
Lagyan ng suka. Ay, toyo. Yan. Yun yung style. Tapos, pagkatin niya.
Let's remove it from the stick. Remove this meat.
Sarap.
It's really good guys. For those foreigners out there who didn't try it, believe me, you should try it. It's really tastes good.
Sarap. Yung ibang foreigner, try nyo kumain ito. Kami, sarap. Hindi sasawa. How's taste?
Very good. I really like it because it's like a little bit jelly.
Ito yung minsan inuulam namin pag gabi.
Wow.
Aha.
It's really yummy. It's really yummy guys. I really love it.
Sarap.
Okay. Are you done with the food?
Sarap.
Okay. Let's try next the batikolong. This is the batikolong.
Ito guys. Ito. Batikolon.
I didn't taste it yet, but I guarantee it's really sarap.
Sarap.
Okay, start with the batikolong.
Lagyan ng tuyo. Ayan. Okay, Blags.
It's really soft and gummy.
Sarap.
I like it also. I didn't expect that batikolong would taste like that.
Nakikita mo doon sa ano, street food ng ganito. Yummy. Hindi Filipino eating this one. Mano kumakain ito? Filipino.
Last one of the stick.
Oh. Sarap. Sarap.
I really love it guys. Everything is tastes so good. Especially the spicy vinegar. It's adding additional flavor which is really amazing.
Hang. Talaga. So,
And next,
kita already oh, this one.
yeah,
So only this head.
next is the head. Wow.
Ito
This is
guys.
chicken heads. Head of a chicken. It's really popular here in the Philippines. Let's try it. Of course, with spicy vinegar. What will be the taste? Last one. Do the mix. Okay, let's try it, guys.
Masarap kasi lutong-lutong yung ano, utak.
Yeah, the brain. It's really good. Yeah. Amazing. Wow. This tastes good, guys. This is really hard to challenge yourself to try it,
Oo nga, kasi
but once you try it, you really like it.
guys, di siya nakakain yung part ng ulo dahil sa skull niya, mga buto-buto sa ulo. Yeah. Yung salaman lang yung balat, tapos yung mata, tapos yung ano niya, yung utak. Ang kinakain niya.
Wow. It really tastes good. Since my rice is a little bit only left, we'll be back later on the heads. We'll continue with the chicken intestines. Let's try it also. Actually, this is one of my favorite, chicken intestine. Every time I'm going to buy Pinoy barbecue, this is the most I'm looking for. It's really my favorite.
Sarap.
It's really good.
Yeah. Yan toyo.
If I have to be honest and to rate it from 1 to 10 all the barbecue, I would rate it 12. It's more than delicious.
Sarap. Ito yung popular na kinakain ng mga ano, Pinoy. Ito. Sarap kasi.
Intestines.
Bihira lang yung foreigner na kumakain ng ganito.
Actually, I really love Filipino food. I'm not really choosy about Filipino foods. I really enjoy it.
How you love the Philippines, and also you love food of the Philippines.
Yeah, that's true.
Sarap.
My rice is almost finished. It's really tasty. Okay, I'm done with the intestine. Next, we can try the chicken neck. After the chicken neck, we can try the paa and the wings. Okay, check this, guys. The chicken neck. I'm going to eat it. It's really fatty. Let's try it. Wow. The outer skin is really cooked in a good way. It's so soft. It's like jelly.
You want water?
No. I'm fine without water. While I'm eating, I don't like to drink water because it's removing the good taste that I have in my mouth. So I always prefer to eat without water, so the taste will stay longer.
Sarap guys.
It's really good. Sorry if it gets a little bit messy, but we really enjoy it.
Ang dami ng the best food ever.
Yeah.
Gusto ko lang kumain ng sa labas. Saka yung friends.
One of the reasons that I really love the Philippines is because of the foods that you have here. You're really, really blessed, guys. My God, my recipe is finished. Okay.
Sarap.
It really tastes good. Next of it, we're going to try the chicken pie, the chicken wings. Okay. I love it. What should we try? Pass me one tissue, please. Thank you. Get a little bit messy there, sorry. Okay, we have only one pa, so we can share it. We can share it. Pinoy style. What part do you like?
First one.
Yeah, it's yours. This is Pinoy pa. Chicken pa. It's really, really great. Goodness. I love it. Very masarap.
Sarap.
There is sweet flavor and it's really compatible actually. Wow, I really love it. I don't know about you, but I'm amazed with the taste.
May mga sa akin nakakain ako ng ganito. I-condense mo yung sarap niya. Kasi
I will add it a bit spicy. I love spicy actually.
walang hindi ko na yung sarap. Ito.
Wow. Really good, guys. Chicken wing. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I'll get the proper portion. Yeah. Okay, chicken wings. This is the part of the wing. Oh. I cannot say anything else. I really only can say it tastes good.
Sarap.
Yeah, sarap. I cannot say any other word.
Tayo yung kain ito sa bahay nyo. Yung ibang foreigner dyan, try to eat. Street food, Filipino style.
Challenge for all the foreigners out there. Wow.
Ha?
Sarap. Can you pass me one tissue, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So what's the next one?
Okay guys, it's left the chicharron and the
Balut.
balut. By your opinion, what should we try first? The chicharron or the balut? Or, you know, the best we left for the end. So I think let's try with chicharron, and of course the best is the balut. So we will left it for the end.
Okay.
That will be our last try. Okay. Let's proceed to the chicharron. How is made the chicharron? Do you know?
It's made for
From the fats of the pig? Yeah. Okay, let's try to dip it in the spicy vinegar.
taba ng baboy to.
Wow. It's really, really tasty. One of my favorite snack in the Philippines.
Kung yung suka sa bakanghang.
It's crunchy. It's tasty. But the thing that makes it really, really taste good is the vinegar. Spicy. Wow.
Harap yung suka pagkatimpla.
Yeah. It's good. During movie time, hang out with friends. It's really good. Wow. I like the way it's dissolved in the mouth. It's really good. You can hear how it's, you know,
Fancy.
crunchy in the mouth, and then at the same time you can hear like, you know, popping.
Yung ganito.
Wow. It's really delicious.
Harap.
I love it. Okay. And now, the best part we left for the end. It's balut time, guys. It's not many foreigners out there who can really eat balut. First thing we're going to do, we're going to open the upper portion of the egg of the balut. It's really hard mine upstairs. There is no more. Yeah. Oh. The most important is to let that juice inside, that we're going to add vinegar and we're going to drink it.
Ito lang yun, no? Lagyan ng suka.
Oh, here it is, guys. Oh, here it is. You just have to add vinegar. Then you have to drink it. Wow.
It's good.
Wow, it's really good. Now we're going to open it. How many days is this
Mga 16 days.
this balut?
Kasi maliit pa yung sisyo.
Yeah,
Yung sisyo.
it's too small. Too cheap.
Hindi mo kakain pag ganito yung sisyo.
You're not eating it?
No, cannot eat like this sisyo.
Why? Oh, it's hold on.
Already, ang tawag ito?
See mine. Mine is okay. I can eat it.
Tara, try natin.
Oh,
Ahang yung suka.
it's quite hard to remove some of the shell.
Harap.
I don't know why mine is really hard on the top. It's overcooked maybe. Okay, let's start with the white portion of the white of the balut. Yeah, mine is really
Ito yung tigas. Okay. Yung Sure?
I think mine is overcooked. It's quite hard.
At least you try. What is a Filipino food? Filipino street food. Sarap.
I love it. I feel the spice taste in my mouth. It's spicy.
So,
I still have the white portion.
that?
This is the chick, the duck. Going to eat it with that. Yeah. This is the chick. Let's eat it, guys.
Sarap. Tayo yung kumain ng balot.
Wow. It's really soft, but at the same time I feel spicy. I love it. And then for me left the yellow part of the balut.
Ano guys? Kaya nyo ngayon itong kainin. Kung may mga kaibigan kayong foreigner, ang kilala, kaya kain na ito street food. Sarap.
It's really spicy because I actually left only the chili, but I really enjoy it, guys. I really love the Filipino street foods. As you see today, we tried pork fats, we tried chorizo, we tried pork barbecue, we tried chicken feet, batikulong, heads, chicken intestine, chicken paa, chicken neck, and chicken wings. Next to it we had the chicharron, and last we had the balut.